Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to revisit the battery sizes for E46 four-door BMW. I just had a video just recently in which I talked about the battery swap, the battery replacement, and I bought the battery that was specified for this car, something that you are supposed to be doing anyway. So this was the battery that is in the car that was featured in that video is H7 size, and in that video I was talking about a possibility of fitting even a bigger battery into this battery compartment on these cars. And I decided to just do a follow-up, I guess, and talk about a different battery, the next size up, basically. And in that video, I also mentioned that the battery compartment is actually larger than H7 size of the battery, so there's a possibility of fitting a bigger battery in the compartment, like repeating myself. I have an H7 in the car installed, and here I have an H8 battery that's right here on the top of the battery, H849 AGM. Also, it's exactly the same battery, brand, type, and everything. Also came from Costco, and it's a bigger battery. So H7 is, as we figured out in the previous video, if I don't remember if I measured it or not, but this one is a 12-inch even. H7 is 12 inches long, which for those who operate in metric is about 305 millimeters. And here I have an H8 battery, and if we measure this battery, we are going to get something like, well, my ruler is too short, but see if that says, here's 12, and here's another 1.5. So this battery is 1.5 inches longer than H7. So this one is 13.5. That's how big this battery is. And as we can see, if we stick a bigger battery in here, we still have we do have room for a bigger battery in this battery compartment. So 1.5 inch right here. That's the biggest battery that you can put in there. It's just, I mean, it's a monster. The battery is huge. Well, especially if you compare it to like H6, which is another inch or so shorter than H7. So this is the biggest battery that if you really need to have a really large battery in your E46, that's the battery to go for. And the differences are, so this battery is 95 amp hours capacity. CCA is 900 amps on this battery. Cold cranking amps are that 900. And yeah, that's the biggest battery. That's if you really need to have a large battery or as big of a battery as you think you need, is that's the one to go for. The other dimensions are exactly the same this way, and the height and all, it's all the same. It's just the length of the battery. That's where the difference is. One thing to make a note of is that Costco sells this battery for the same price as that battery. So H7, H8, and I think H6, they are all the same price as far as I can remember. So this was the same $180, and H7 was $180. Yeah. So if you don't have any constraints on the battery, like any restrictions, well, the main thing is this battery is heavier than H7, and H7 is heavier than H6. So if you don't care about your battery being heavy and sitting in this corner behind the rear wheels, that's not a good place for a battery. That's honestly. So if you don't care about any of that, I would suggest to go for the biggest battery possible. Like, I don't see why not. Of course, it's heavier, adds a few pounds, kilograms to your car's weight and affects many things, but I don't think this is going to be noticeable for a regular driver, for someone who doesn't care about weight savings and things like that, doesn't take cars to their car to autocross and so on. So I don't see why not just use the biggest battery possible. And like I said, everything is exactly the same except, well, I guess one downside to the other thing, I guess I should say, is that this one is going to be a tight fit in the compartment, in the battery compartment, and it's going to be heavier and it's going to be a little bit more cumbersome to get inside. But again, E46 is not that difficult as far as the battery swap goes. Yeah, that's the biggest battery. H849 AGM, and there's a port number for it. By the way, this battery is made in Korea. I guess I suppose they're all the same. Interstate batteries, all these things should be the same. The other thing is that this battery has a 36 months warranty, free replacement. Basically, if your battery dies before 36 months pass, you just can get a replacement. This one is 226, so a month old, I guess. So yeah, just use it, abuse it, and well, it wouldn't happen, but 3 years warranty. So $180 plus taxes, so close to $200 as of today, spring of 2026, and $180 for an AGM battery is not too bad. 3 years warranty, that's what you can expect the battery to last. That's all that I wanted to say in today's video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you feel like doing it, and come back for more videos on BMWs on my channel.